looks like they just got married. I mean, ooh, it's hard to hate them two-lane roads on a harvest moon. F-150 feeling bulletproof. Rope swing down off Sycamore Creek and miles and miles of cottonwood trees. Find a pull-off spot where you can park. Fall in love and break your heart. Oh yeah, there's always gonna be something to talk about. Lord, it's hard to hate a small town. Yes, it is. It's hard to hate a small town.
Let's learn It's Hard to Hate a Small Town. It's choreographed by Ed Evangelista. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn It's Hard to Hate a Small Town. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to walk forward, right, left, right. You're now going to place your left heel forward, step your left foot back, touch your right toe back, step your right foot forward, and then you're going to do a low kick forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to walk back, left, right, left, and you're going to touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do side touches, and if you would like, you can kind of roll your hips with these side touches. So you're going to step right, touch, left, touch, right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our kick. You're walking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a brush. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to brush your right foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're then going to do a V step, so you're going to step your right foot into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, step your right foot back, and then step your left next to your right. On the step sheet, it says that you can replace that V step with 2 half pivots if you would like. I did the V step, but if you would like to add those half pivots in instead, you will do a step, half pivot, step, half pivot. And that is what you can replace it with if you would like. So let's try that with some counts. I'm going to do the V step, and if you would like to do those half pivots, that is your choice. Starting with your rocking chair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk forward. So it's walk right, right, heel, step back, step forward, kick, walk back, touch, side touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter turn with a brush rocking chair, and your V step, out, in. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk forward, so it's walk right, heel, step back, step forward, kick, walk back, touch, side touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter turn brush, rocking chair, V step out, and in, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk with a heel, step back, touch, step forward, kick, walk back with a touch, side touch to the right and the left. Grapevine, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, rocking chair. V-step, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the dance ends facing 12 o'clock. You will do the first 16 counts doing your side touch, and the music will end at that point. I just step to the side, but you can end in that touch if you would like. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn It's Hard to Hate a Small Town. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Somebody's burning up a big brush pile. Somebody's cutting their grass. Somebody's planting them front porch flowers. Somebody's digging up the past. I mean, ooh, it's hard to hate a small town. Peach pie cooling off by her sink. Hummingbird floating round her diet sprite. She's too old to be pulling them weeds, so the neighbor's kids do it 'cause they're raised right. I mean, ooh, it's hard to hate a small town. Yes, it is. It's hard to hate them two-lane roads on a harvest moon. F-150 feeling bulletproof. Rope swing down off Sycamore Creek, and miles of cottonwood trees. Find a pull-off spot where you can park. Fall in love and break your heart. Oh yeah, there's always gonna be something to talk about. It's hard to hate a small town. That good old boys football game's the only thing to do on Friday. They ain't won state since 2008. There's cars lined down the highway. Come on. Ooh, it's hard to hate a small town. It's hard to hate them two-lane roads on a harvest moon. F-150 feeling bulletproof. Rope swing down off Sycamore Creek, and miles of cottonwood trees. Find a pull-off spot where you can park. Fall in love and break your heart. Oh yeah, there's always gonna be something to talk about. It's hard to hate a small town. Somebody's shining up a long black hearse. Somebody's about to get buried. Somebody's ringing that old church bell. Looks like they just got married. I mean, ooh,